Hi there, Cokie here with a teaser about our upcoming series in October, the What Investors Need to Know Now series. But in the month of October, we're focusing on what scares you the most. This is, all the chatter on the news, in my inbox, on social, is relative to markets and finance is I'm scared. Is the market going to sell off? Kind of has been going up and down a little bit recently. A lot of chatter about interest rates and inflation and tapering and you name it with the INGs. And so I want to focus this month in October with kicking off this series. I'm going to weave this into 411 Live for those who have joined me for 411 Live. You can join me on Facebook Monday mornings, 5:30 a.m. It's Cokie Perfect Day 411. So at Cokie Perfect Day 411. And no, you don't have to be there at 5:30. You can look at the video and the live stream later, but you're going to get me uncut, no makeup, no suit, no office necessarily. And you can ask me questions and discussion, hear what other people are scared about, and also get deep dives on with this series of what scares you the most. So last week went through some of the things that scares people the most relative to finance. This week I did a little search and I found the 10 things that people fear the most. And you want to know what? And I love this because I don't want to be the fear and loathing goddess of investments. I have to tell you, of the top 10 things, investments, selling off, losing all your money, not retiring ever or on time, or not having enough money to live was not in the top 10. I don't know. Maybe the top 10 list isn't right, but maybe it is. So do you want to know the top 10? I'll share the top 10. Public speaking. Hi, not so bad. Heights, the dentist. Sorry, Marnes. Snakes, flying, spiders and insects, enclosed spaces, mice, dogs, and then we'll wrap it up with thunder and lightning. I'm not sure about the author of this post, but maybe they want to put up there having enough money to support a great lifestyle of impact, which means for me, more perfect days. So that's what 411 Live is all about, is giving you a framework for how do you create more money in your life, because more money to me means more impact. And guess what more impact means? More perfect days. So with that, I want to detail for you this series from the financial piece, because again, more perfect days comes first from more money, which really dials into your investments. If you think that's right, these are some of the things we're going to be talking about in October, which is what I'm hearing, or people are actually worried about with respect to their investments in finance, excessive fees, underperformance. What does happen when tapering begins with interest rates, and or if we have a market hiccup? Conflicts of interest. This is a big one. Are you working with a fiduciary? Do you trust, when your advisor or when someone tells you, oh, you should buy X, Y, or Z, or invest this way or that way, do you trust it? So what conflicts of interest exist? And we talked a little bit last week about extend your gaze. So a little teaser there might be a little proprietary tool I use, which is called a 3-year bucket. Yes. So we're going to talk risk tolerance, again, fees, underperformance, conflicts of interest. This is the month of October. Find this and join me to kick this off October 4th on 411 Live. Okay, with that, we're going to bring you what investors need to know now and a framework for perfect days with 411 Live. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you Monday.